Kheema pav is incredible. So do you like pav bread?
Yes.
I love pav bread. And pav goes amazing with
Chicken.
chicken keema. Let's do chicken keema pav.
Yes.
Welcome back. And the journey of this beautiful dish begins with toasting some of these whole spices. The description tells you their names. Toast them to enhance their flavor before you add ghee, some oil, and half of the garlic and the ginger that you would need in this dish. And once that garlic has turned golden, in go the onions. Seasoning any dish in stages helps control the amount of seasoning that goes in. To these sweet caramelized onions, we'll now add the mince. You could even use lamb or any other meat mince. A pinch of salt will really help draw out the moisture from the meat because it needs to be browned for this dish to be magnificent. And it'll take about 10 minutes of frying to get to this stage. Time to add the red chili powder or smoked paprika, some garam masala, and that all-important coriander powder. And hey, the fenugreek too. Half of it, not all. The description below tells you the exact amount of these spices. In go the tomatoes and the rest of the garlic, and we will cook it till the tomatoes have softened. Deglaze the pan with some stock or water. Add in the rest of the kasuri methi or dry fenugreek and the ginger. Put on the lid and let it simmer for a good 15 minutes. Yep, until then. As I'm using frozen peas, they go right at the end because they're super quick to cook. And finally, add that glorious ghee for an exceptionally buttery taste. Finish off with some coriander. This dish is ready to be served. Toast some beautiful pav bread with butter on a pan and serve that buttery bread with the spicy keema to enjoy an awesome Indian street food experience. A slice of lemon and my onion pickles make a wonderful side for this dish. Please do share the recipe, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again. Bye.